Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off Order Remember in Shein application. So how to turn off Order Remember in Shein application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Shein app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Shein app. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. And a menu like this will appear. Tap Menu Settings at the top right. Tap Contact Preferences. Tap New Message Notification. Tap Order Remember. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off Order Remember in Shein application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.